I'm Weiling. Today's topic is how to find the right Mandarin tutor - the certification myth - B. In the last video, we have gone through properly italki and verbally, 3 online tutor platforms, and find out that it seems a connection between certification and class number. However, certification isn't a guarantee this tutor is the right one for you. Why? Let me put it this way. We all agree that health is the most important thing, right? If being healthy is important, why don't you only buy certificated products when you do grocery shopping, such as non-GMO, no artificial preservatives, flavors and color, and organic? These healthy certificated products should be the right ones for you, but why you choose others instead? Because many facts affect your decision: flavor, package design, brand story, prices, etc. Certification is just only one of them. Now go back to Mandarin tutor. Certification is only one of the facts you need to consider when looking for the right one for you. You also need to check the rest of the considerations like time zone, if the tutor's schedule fits yours, or if the tutor is a native Mandarin speaker. Certification can tell you that this tutor is well trained, but it's not a guarantee this tutor is absolutely right one for you. In fact, there's one consideration way more important than certification. Without it, the tutor might kill your interest in Mandarin learning. Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right Mandarin tutor - personality is priority. Final, a question for you. The rest of life you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Weiling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Weiling. See you in the class.